Guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a student a discount on Apple products so you can save a big on your next purchase. So first things first, okay? Apple offers a student discount program through their Apple Education Store. So to qualify, you basically need to either be a student, a teacher, or a staff member, at an accredited school, college, or university. So you want to start by visiting the Apple Education Store on their official website, and you can easily find it by searching for Apple Education Store in your browser. And once you're on the Education Store page, guys, you just want to log in with your Apple ID. Okay, if you don't have one, you can create it for free. And next, guys, what I need you to do is I need you to select the product that you want to buy, such as, for example, a MacBook, an iPad, or other eligible items. You'll notice that the prices are already reduced compared to the regular App Store. So you want to basically now verify your student status, okay? So Apple may ask you to, log in or create an account on Unidays, which is a platform that confirms your eligibility, and you want to follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Look, it usually only takes a few minutes, and once you're actually verified, guys, okay, once you're verified, you can proceed with your purchase, right? And you can basically, you know, you can enjoy your discounts, and plus, Apple often includes extra perks for students. For example, free accessories or a discounted Apple Care. And that's it, guys. You have successfully unlocked, your student discount for your Apple products. So if this video was helpful, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on those bell notifications so I can see you guys next time.